How to draw the University of North Carolina logo. We are going to start by drawing a small line going up and down on the right side of our page. Then from the top and bottom of that line, we are going to draw a small diagonal line going to the right and inwards. Then from the end of those, we are going to draw a diagonal line going the opposite direction, making a right corner. And then from the end of those, we are going to draw a small curved line going to the left. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we are going to draw a rectangular-like shape that does not connect at the top, connecting to the curved line on the bottom. Then on the top, we are going to draw a rectangular shape just like this one, but it will not connect on the bottom. And again, it will be connected to the curved line. Awesome job! Now on the top, we are going to draw a slightly curved line that will be long and go towards the right. Awesome! Now we are going to do the same thing on the bottom. Great job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we are going to draw another set of those rectangular-like shapes. Just like these, one will be on the top and one will be on the bottom on the other side of the line. Then we are going to draw a long curved line connecting these two rectangular shapes on the left, just like this. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. We have the outline finished. Now we are going to draw details on the inside to make the end go just like this. For each line on the inside, I'm going to show you with my finger where the imaginary line is going to be connected. So right here, we are going to imagine there's a line here, but we are only going to draw a small line towards the top. Because then we are going to imagine there's a line going right here, and we are going to draw a small line connecting to the one we just drew. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. We're doing great. Now we're going to draw a line connecting those, and after I will show you where the imaginary line would be from. And then for the middle part of the end, we are going to imagine that a line is connecting right here, and we are going to draw a small diagonal line near the bottom half. Then we are going to imagine a line connecting right here and draw a straight line going downwards on the left side from the one we just drew. Then right here, we are going to imagine another line and connect those two that we just drew. Then finally, we are going to make a half circle-like shape near the left side inside of the outline. Right here, we are going to draw a straight line in the middle, and then we are going to draw a half circle connecting to the left of it. This is how to draw the University of North Carolina logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below and make sure to subscribe. See you next time, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.